Everyone, welcome back to my channel. I want to officially welcome you all to my channel. Yeah, thank you all for subscribing, and if you know you're new here and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly subscribe right now and give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, so before I get into today's video, this is for all procrastinators out there. Like, if you know you're procrastinator like me, you really should stop right now. I mean, you guys should stop being lazy. Like, if it's a book you've been wanting to read, you should start now. If it's this food you've been wanting to prepare, you should do it right now. Stop procrastinating. Like, it's not a good thing. Okay, about today's video, I've been wanting to get this tripod for a very long time. Months back, I've been wanting to get this video, and I kept postponing it. I'll get it, and I don't know, but I thank God I was able to do that, and that is why I want to show you guys. I want to unbox my tripod for you all to see. Yeah, and so please, if you've been wanting to do that thing, please do not postpone it anymore. You should actually do it right now. You should start now. Yeah, so I've been wanting to get a tripod stand. Yeah, not the one for camera. Oh no, this is a mannequin tripod stand. Yeah, so I've been wanting to get it, and I kept prolonging it. I'll get it for long. I didn't. Until the Holy Spirit led me to do so yesterday. I left my comfort zone. I went in search of it. I was like, no, I must get it today. So the main reason why I didn't really get it all this while was because I had one ugly code. I can't even show you guys to look at it. I had one ugly stand I was using, like, it was very ugly, and it was heavy. Yeah, so I don't know. I think I got comfortable with it all along. That was why I didn't get this one. But yeah, I was able to get this, and I'm happy. I'm happy. So yeah. Yeah, so smells good. It smells good. Okay, guys. I don't like the fact that it's handy. Like, I can actually, you can see, I can pack it up this way, just movements. Yeah, so I think this should be like 18 inches. Yeah, though there's a smaller one. Of these, and then also a big. This is like the medium size of it. So this is where the mannequin gets to stay. I'm sure those of you who are into wig making, you know about this. Yes, so this is it. So different screws for different parts of it. I wish I can just show you guys. Okay, yeah. Okay, so you guys can see. Okay, so this. Yeah, so this is it, guys. Yeah, you can actually tighten this. I just screw it up, and there it's balanced. Actually very tall, so I guess it should be up to 18 inches. Yeah, I'm not mistaken. So you all, thank you for watching me unbox my tripod stand. Yeah, so back to what I said earlier. Don't be a procrastinator. You should stop being lazy. Get it done right now. Get it done today. Make sure you turn on my post notifications so that you will not miss out on my next video. Alright guys, see you in my next video. Bye.